Welcome back, everybody. I hope you're enjoying 2019 Topps Series 1. It's out, the only 2019 baseball set that's currently out. We've got some more right around the corner. Topps Tribute, kind of a higher end set, is going to be coming out real soon. Of course, Topps Heritage will be coming out real soon, and Don Russ from Panini will be coming out real soon. But until then, we're going to still stick with Topps Series 1. Stop by Target. We've got 3 more of the 3-pack value packs with the bonus green card parallel. These are a pretty good deal if you can find them. The single packs are $3 a piece. So this would be $9 if you just bought the single packs, but these are $7.99 at Target. So saving $1 on there. Nice to always save a few bucks if you can. So our last one of this, I just got the one, and we did pretty well out of it. So let's see what we got here. We're going to have 9 packs total with 3 of the green parallels in the Topps Salute set. If I can get it out of here. Of course, they're right on the top, so you can see who you're getting out of these. This, we got Glavine, Ichiro, and Bryce Harper. These are 16 card packs. Right on front here, Kyle Tucker, rookie card. Nice. Of course, like I've said probably in every video, I'm personally hunting down the short print image variations. In the 1984 cards, here's a Verlander parallel, 150 years parallel. Followed with a couple of inserts here. Francisco Cervelli, Rainbow. And Edwin Encarnacion, Stars of the Game. Robin Yount, rookie reprint. Paul DeYoung, Stars of the Game. Very cool. Look at that one. That's there's an Ohtani. I don't know if that's not a photo variation on that one. There's Ohtani 84. Don't have that one. It's a nice one. Trey Turner. So, not too bad out of that one. Nice Ohtani second-year card. This one got the Bryce Harper. That's a cool one. I've not seen one of these yet. Cactus League Legends. I believe these are retail exclusive inserts. Oh, nice. Kyle Tucker, Stars of the Game. foil board rookie. It's our, what, third Aaron Nola that we've got? Johanny, Rainbow, Reggie Jackson, Cactus League, Hoskins. "150 Years, Beckham, Parallel, Cano, Stars, Acuna tops now, insert, alright, last one. We didn't say really anything of note as of yet. There's our Ichiro. The last 3 packs here brings us Aaron Judge, base card. Here's one of the base cards of the greatest seasons. Chris Bryant, Stars of the Game, Glaber, Rookie Cup, there's a Will Clark, Cactus League Legends, Kershaw, Stars of the Game, and to finish it off, let's see what we got here. Kopech rookie. See a home run heroes or a home run challenge card in here. Oh, nice, Ohtani. There's another one of the Kyle Tuckers. So there we go with that one. Of course, this, you go onto the website, if you haven't seen it from last year, predict a game that the player hits a home run in, and if you get it correctly, they'll send you a sort of a parallel version of this card. Last year they were all numbered to how many people won on that particular day. So kind of the bigger name guys had a little bit higher numbers, so Ohtani will probably be used a lot and probably win a lot. I'm sure he'll hit a lot of home runs next year. So 2 Ohtanis. Not bad, not bad. Little stack of inserts. I have to go through all those and sort them by set. But aside from that, that's going to do it for this break. Probably do a few more for Topps Series 1 before it's all said and done. So stay tuned for those. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.